Kam cibentai timit Rotary Club Juai ki kam ke simi kong thiang. Ko wina gen thai wada banana ma chna plim pen mi plim hapok ke jela me khlia. Hai jan mit ke khat Rotary undiu brad e burom gi ka da ko award ha ke yelang wada pen man ha Infinity Restaurant Morolong Juai. Yakni ke award da buano ekti da Rotarian Rajesh Batra Assistant Governor Zone 9 Uman le kam kong san ha ni gelang ko tip kam Vocational Excellence Award kam felicitation ceremony hai sakhi lang gi khot ke Rotary Club Juai wa ki wacha kursnya bha. Ka simi kong thiang ha waklam ongko Hawas nyau suk ya iwan ikam na drong mo krech tom yiu man kan rat ye te ikam. Kam ka bayong ilengut ki kon ong hai poros dang ye kan ikam man iwa wa khore ka han la ka tele kat wa M1 ko im sen wam hoy randen haus nam arja khat le sedang go yo yo so i krech tom lang ba i yo e ka award best script writer ha ka jala lang ba i tho ye film the the lut ko man ka khasi film award yo lang kong ko. Dapun mo go wa wat ka film wa dang dapan mi ko ka chithi ha ka ni le di yo ke nam kam ka best director ha not is yong usnem arja araso. Kam tado ang gawa ikrech tong way raikut ra ko yay nami buram ha iwan itaw. Ukong sanaw e klam ong ijet o e award yak ni gaman bay man sket iwa chong ni alang bay param yong ka wada kanada Rotarian Arnong Tudu PE ha kaniga yalang. Dewa ong la ini timit man iwa kian tangwa je ini inam iburam ye ukso rata. Naite kam kibru MKM ikerchan irap keliang la ha iwan ikam waki ukre ong MKM ule baha ne wanra iwarap her haite ikam le kanang wa kiwile uwan kijakamat wo e itimit. Hari ni kejuk kesengi Rotary Club de pungkup buram ro ko yagi parar khot wada kukur dan hai kam krek wakhi gi.
Although I'm a self-taught filmmaker without formal training, I've navigated this challenging journey for 17 years. I believe that when we choose our passion and dedicate ourselves to it, we become masters, not slaves. As a mother of 3 young children, when I began filmmaking, balancing motherhood and work was tough. However, I decided not to give up on my dreams. The turning point of my life came in 2013 when I was awarded Best Scriptwriter in the state for my film The Third Look by the first Khasi Film Award. This recognition boosted my confidence to share my stories with a wider audience. My latest film, Kachiti, which won the Best Director Award in Northeast at the Prague Cine Award 2024, was also showcased at the prestigious film festival across the country. This achievement has reinforced my belief that hard work and determination can take you anywhere, regardless of gender. Through storytelling, we can share unique experiences, traditions, and perspective of the community. Storytelling is also a powerful tool to address social issues, highlighting challenges and struggles faced by the community. Through filmmaking, we can not only share our opinions, but also preserve our heritage and build the bridges between community. This brings satisfaction and gives us the potential to change life, passing down this valuable lesson to the future generation. As a filmmaker, I am proud to have created employment opportunities for young talents in our state. Among us today, I am delighted to introduce Samilan Ipasa. She is a theatre actor and she is based in Mumbai and Juai. Currently, she is my acting coach and she is also a script supervisor. She is the proof that nothing is impossible, and we are here to guide aspiring filmmakers. There are numerous roles in filmmaking beyond direction, such as script writing, editing, sound recording, production designing, and so many more. As I wrap up my speech, I would like to conclude by saying the future of filmmaking is bright. Let's inspire and empower these new upcoming talent individuals to bring their visions to life. Thank you, Rotary Club of Juai, for recognizing my work. Your efforts in honoring and nurturing talents and creativity are truly noble.